Ladies and gentlemen, I just got these wonderful kits. I feel curious what is in the box, and I feel excited to share with you what's in the box. Maybe it's something bad, maybe it's something good, maybe it's something common, and maybe it's something worth waiting for. Let's check it out. The model kit published by Bandai Spirit in 15 March 2023. The price of the model kit was around 4,000 yen. Some local online platforms selling it from 147.75 stand ringgit to 176 ringgit. The manual looked nice with a well-designed layout, a clear color scheme, and clear, concise instructions. The model kit includes 10 runners and a sticker. Building time 1 hour plus. Everything works smoothly for me. Building model is a good way to practice mindfulness. It is just me and the parts in hand. All worries have to stand aside. Color was largely achieved without painting required. Weight 36 grams. Height 17.5 centimeters. 2 types of variation for hands. 2 variations of scarf. The kit was solid even without glue. It has great limb movement. It can even achieve full flexibility. Side kick with one leg is possible. Front kick with a cat stand, one leg is possible. For the head movement, upward and downward motion is quite limited. The center part of the body has some movable space, but not much. Well, that's all for the sharing for today. How would you rate this model kit on the scale of 1 to 10? How many marks would you give to this model kit? Please leave your comment below. I feel happy to share with you this model kit. I hope you enjoy it. Please help click like, subscribe, and share this video. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much. Rider Shin Rider kick! Two!